Hey sweeties, we have a nail haul today, but let's get into the nails that I have on. This is literally one of my favorite designs. It is a little tedious, but we do have a video on how I achieved it on my channel somewhere. But I got these bows from SHEIN and I think they are so freaking cute. But let's get into this haul. First up, we have this Builder Nail Gel Kit from Saveland. Now, let's get her open, but I think this is, I don't even know if I ordered the right thing, y'all, but let's get her open real quick. Yeah, I don't think this is what I ordered because why does it come with chrome? So first up, we have this Saveland Clear Non-Sticky Solid Builder Nail Gel. I told y'all I want to start getting into the 3D designs like the flower. So I did some research on another girlie's channel, well, multiple girls. Oh, that's right at the top. So I did some research on this girl channel. I forget her name, but she did a nail haul and she just, well, not necessarily a nail haul, but she went into detail the different things or different products that you can use to do the 3D nail art. But she said that the builder gel, the non-sticky builder gel in the shade clear would be the best, so you can add your own colors. It's more manageable. It's like less sticky. So I got that. But this little set came with some chrome powder, gold and silver, and the little applicators, 2 of them. It also came with the tool. Now these are like the flathead tools, both sides. And I guess this is just like the press down on the builder gel, get those little creases in the flowers or whatever shape that you want to use. But got her. It come with a nail file and some glitter. Now, I am not a fan of glitter at all, but this is a pretty glitter. It's like blue, got some shades of purple in it, and it's that chunky glitter. That's really, really cute, but I don't know if I'm gonna be using it. Glitter is literally not my thing, y'all. Next, y'all, we got some cute bows in so many different shades. I love this. So when I saw it, I said I have to have it. So it has different shades and it has different styles. I'm loving all of the colors. They are nice and bright. I really, really like this pink. It is so freaking cute. It's like the perfect shade of pink, not too light, not too dark. Love the different shades of green. Love the yellow. But look, y'all, so they have these type of bows. Let's go ahead and pick that pink one back up. This type, and they also have this type. Super, super cute. I don't know which one is my favorite, like which style of bow is my favorite, but girl, it's a bow. And y'all know we love bows, okay? So we got that. Oh wait, I'm just noticing, this comes with cherries too. Oh wow, it comes with cherries. I didn't know that. And some gold bows. Perfect. I picked up these little cross charms. I always see them on girlies' little nail inspo pictures and I never had them. And I always see like the gold and the silver advertised, but never all of the colors. So I'm happy that it came with all the colors. They are smaller than I expected them to be, but y'all, they are curved in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but they are a little curved, not too much, but it's curved enough. So really like those. They're so cute. I love the colors. This will be perfect for the spring, even though we're in the fall. But listen, they gonna get used, especially that black and that white. Love them. Let's get into this bow again. Super cute, right? It came with this set here. So we have 4 white bows, cream, and then different shades of pink. And these are like those fancy bows, y'all. Like, look at this one. Is that not so cute? I love the long little tendrils on it. I think that's what they call it. Tendrils, something like that. We have this style of bow. Love her. And then we have these styles. We have this style too. I don't know if I like that. It gives like a droopy kind of bow. It's still cute though, y'all. So cute. And then we have these cute tiny little bows in there, y'all. I don't know how I'll use this. Maybe draw my own little cherries with like the 3D builder gel that we just got. Oh, that would be so cute. I think I like the idea. Just in case I can't do the 3D flowers myself, I went ahead and picked some up. Now, I really like this one. Super, super cute, right? I have to get some more powders because when I was looking at my research, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Let me show y'all. Isn't it so cute? It's pink and brown. Oh my goodness, I know I'm going to use this really, really soon. I have to make some nails for one of my sweeties and she went pink. I think the brown will be cute, like just because it's the fall season, but it comes with like an orange and yellow. I think this is like a yellow and black, a purple, a little pink and yellow. That's really, really cute right here. And then it also comes with some pearls. And I don't know if this was supposed to be in there, but yeah, I don't think that was supposed to be in there. So we got those, y'all. Just in case I'm not able to get the shape that I want or need. Ooh, I opened that the wrong way, didn't I? Child. That's all messed up. It's okay. We'll fix it some other time. And I have these charms. They are so cute, y'all. Let me get them open. These are so cute. And they like dangle, y'all. But aren't they the cutest little things? They so cute. They are kind of big. So just imagine if I had like a little, I don't know. Like if I had short nails, it wouldn't go. It wouldn't go. But they are so cute for y'all. If y'all want like a longer nail. These give very much earrings. I'm cracking up, but y'all, they are so cute. I don't know if I got the gold pair. I honestly don't. We'll see when we go through all of the charms. But y'all, they are adorable. Super, super cute. And they are so shiny. So I did get the gold ones, sweeties. They are so cute. I definitely like the gold ones better than the silver ones, even though the silver ones are pink. But when it comes to charms or rhinestones or anything in the bling bling family, I need it to be gold, okay? Now, sometimes the gold does fade, even with the top coat on it. I'm not gonna lie, but listen, at that point, y'all know it's time for me to take my nails off. Somebody mentioned in my live that I take my nails off every 3 days, and that's kind of true. That's kind of true. So we got the gold ones. Super freaking cute. I absolutely love them. And I've never tried anything that dangles. And y'all know they got the little charms that like spin. I never tried those either, but I don't think I would use those. The ones that spin, I'm sure I will lose the little charm, the little puff ball, whatever it is that will be spinning on that charm, I will lose it. But these are so cute, and I'm so happy I got both the gold and the silver. Now, these are very much smaller than I expected them to be, but they are still so cute. Now, they are not as flat on the bottom. They are kind of lumpy, but that's okay. I'm sure we could just file the back of them, apply a little extra rhinestone glue or whatever, but I love the color coordination. It got some blues, some pinks, some purples, some greens, some yellows, some clears. Really, really cute. I feel like I just said cute throughout the whole beginning of this video, but that's they cute. What else am I supposed to say? There's not much you can say about the charms other than describe them, you know? I need to figure out a system on how I want to organize these little small charms, but we'll figure that out in a different video as well. We got some more Dangle little charms, and for some reason, I don't know why, I have two. I thought I ordered like a specific color and then another specific color, but I obviously got the multicolor twice. So these two are kind of big. I'm so happy I went back to my short nails, but these are cute. I couldn't pass them up. Come with a white one, a black one, a red, pink, and brown. I think they are so cute. Now, my favorites are the pink and the brown, of course. I like the white too. I like all of them because I was just about to say they're red is speaking to me, and so is the black. I like all of them, but I feel like the pink and the brown would be the ones that would be used the most in my sets, at least. But y'all like them. They dangle too, y'all. So we got these little charms. They are like bubbles, like they are iridescent or like holographic something, y'all. Jelly, I don't know. But I want to do this design where it's just like a simple white French and then you got these inside of the French. I think that is so cute. Now, I wanted like the little gold star pieces. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but I forgot to order them. But I like the colors that these come with too. None of the little charms that I got screams fall like at all, but I'm okay with that. Okay, so that's how they look. Y'all see how they like jelly or cat eye or something. It's not like a solid color, but they are cute and I cannot wait to use them. All right, so now is where the voice takes over because y'all know them kids always in the way. If you made it this far in the video, drop me a fried chicken emoji in the comments. But y'all, I told y'all in my last nail video that I was going to start the nail business, right? So tell me why I get so discouraged, because as soon as I posted that video, I think like a couple days later, I saw this video of this guy. He wear nails, he had really long nails, and he wear press-ons, right? And he like, this is exactly why I don't be purchasing these press-ons, because y'all advertise them as handmade press-on nails and they're not. He like, girl, this is nail tips with some designs painted on them. And I'm like, that's exactly what I do. And the fact that he was able to take that nail off that stand and just bend it like it was nothing, y'all, my nails don't do that. Y'all know my nails don't do that. I just think that the terms hand painted nail tips just threw me off. It did push me back a little, but I'm back into the planning mode of the nail business and everything, y'all. And I am literally getting more and more excited. So this little haul, it was not for the nail business, but of course I'm going to use some of the things for y'all, but I just wanted this stuff so I could rebuild up my nail collection with everything, polishes, charms, rhinestones, anything that I may need for my nails. But like I told y'all, I need to go through my nail desk and just see all of the supplies that I have for the nail business in regards to packaging and stuff like that, things that I need, things that I don't need. So I definitely want to do that before I get into purchasing things for the nail business. But y'all, this set of charms, I absolutely love it, and I've been wanting to do a junk nail for the longest, but like a junk food junk nail. And y'all can't tell me this don't give like a Nutty Buddy from Little Debbie little cakes. I seriously love those, but I just like the fact that these little charms or these little nail decals are so detailed. This toast is literally one of my favorites. The little Nutty Buddy dupe, and then this one here, it has some type of texture on it. I love the detail, y'all. And I find myself watching videos of people making these, but they use like clay, and it just makes me wonder, can I make my own nail charms using clay? They put it in the oven and everything. But anyway, we got some stickers, and the girl who I was watching the video, she had like a whole bunch of stickers, and I didn't want as many stickers as her because I really like actually drawing on the nails or doing my little nail art with the paintbrush. I like doing it that way, but the nail art stickers are so much easier if you don't know how to do it. It's a good way to start, and they cheap. This was probably like a couple cents, I'm not really sure, but it came with 4 different colors, and I've tried to do this design, the actual hibiscus flower, I cannot get it. So if you got to use the stickers, go ahead and use them, put a little top coat on it, and you cool. Your nails will be nice, pretty, and painted and designed. Now, y'all know I love BT Art Box, and I am literally officially on their PR list. Why they just sent me a Merry Christmas box of nails, y'all? But these are the dupes on SHEIN for like $1 and some change. I got 4 packs, y'all. Each pack come with the 5 sets, just like BT Art Box, and I actually am wearing a pair now. I did do my nails right before this video, and I used them, and I love them. They are just as sturdy as the BT Art Box, but these ones here, baby, do not buy these at all. Don't buy them for yourself. Don't buy them for nobody. Nobody. They're horrible. Child, I took it out the pack. Ain't even squeeze or put no type of pressure on it, and it just folded. And homegirl in the video whose recommendation I was taking and clicking all of those links on her bio, child, she was raving about this. Say she loved it. She had to re-up. So I'm like, okay, let me just try it. And my stupid stuff won't get 4 boxes. Somebody remind me to go back and leave a review for the other girlies to let them know that these aren't it. Now, price-wise, they are a good price for the amount that you get. Now, you can use a builder gel to build up the strength on the nail. Y'all see how it's bending? Like literally, it's just bending, folded right in half. But if your money ain't looking right and you need a whole lot of nails for a little bit of money, go ahead and get them. I do like the shorter length, like you'll see when it's come up, but I do like the shorter length. The longer lengths I probably will not use. If I do use them, it will most likely be for me to practice those 3D flowers on all of my other 3D designs, or even just some simple nail art. Or I may just use them to swatch different nail polishes because I am definitely buying new nail polish. But I do like like the fact that they come in different shapes, and I feel like their length is true to size. So the first one was like a long stiletto. This is the sculpted extra long coffin, and this one, y'all, was super, super long. Look at this pinky. This is a pinky nail. I don't understand how y'all do it. I really don't, but I ain't judging. I'm not judging at all. But we got the long coffin, we got the short square, and we also got the medium square. And out of all four of them, I think I will most likely use the short square. Is literally the same length as the nails that I have on my hands, and I love this length, y'all. I'm able to do my kids' hair. That's the main thing. If I can't do my kids' hair with them long nails on, I'm taking them right off because my kids' hair is more important. So yeah, these will definitely be used specifically for me. I would not be selling these to y'all. That boy will be talking about me the way he was talking about the last person. And I am going to go ahead and use the square medium. It's just a little bit longer for those days where I may want to go ahead and practice braiding in a longer nail, but I don't have time for that either. I feel like for the medium length nails, they are like in between the short and then the length for the BTR box nails that we use, so like right in the middle of them two. But if you look close, the nail says 00. Like, these are not jeans or pants or whatever. It's supposed to start at 0. Why do I have a 0 and a 00? That's really weird to me, and I never saw that on a nail set, but nonetheless, we got some 0s and we got some 00s. Now, this right here is super cute, but tell me why as soon as I open it, it cracked. Like, what is going on, Shein? I did get 2 of them, one for the alcohol and one for the acetone, and if you decide to go ahead and do the same, just definitely make sure you label them. So I'll just go ahead and get a little cotton pad. If I don't have any alcohol wipes, I'll press down, get some of that product on that wipe, and then, you know, use it. I told y'all earlier in the video that I liked the gold and the clear better than the silver, but I think I like the pink and the gold better than all of them. So I forgot that I had these, but let me turn the light down so y'all can see it a little bit more. My lighting is off, but they are pink and gold. That's pretty much it, y'all. We do have a few more things, but just little random things that I needed, or I just decided to go ahead and add to the cart. Definitely needed some putty. Y'all know I was using the little sticky nail tabs that you put on your nails, and we also needed some new mats because I'm using my paper towel. And this paper towel was $3 a roll for the Poppy store because I didn't order none. But that's pretty much it, y'all, for this haul. I am thinking about placing an order on Temu. I'm not too sure yet. Their website right now pisses me off. The prices are not the same, but Shein still did have a lot of other stuff that I wanted to go ahead and put in the cart. So whether or not it's Temu or Shein, we will be placing another order. But that's pretty much it, y'all. I thank y'all so much for tuning in with me today. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and if you liked the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And just a PSA, someone asked about the giveaway and when the next one will be. I am not sure at this very moment. I know for sure we will have one at 100K, but for now it's random.